The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
I'm sorry? What are you trying to say? I can't throw away the trash?
You can't throw away your trash in our bins.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Could you please leave me alone or I'll call the police? You're harassing me. You are harassing me. Thank you very much.
It's 911.
Okay, I will. Got a racist lady here.
That's a big mistake on your part.
Okay. Call. Throwing away the trash. You know, you're going to be instantly famous. Hi. You're going to be instantly famous. You know that, young lady? Come on. Here, let me close the door for you. See how much a gentleman I'm being for you? Florida. You're excused.
What's your name and what are you doing?
Please. You're excused, ma'am.
You're
harassing me. You are harassing me. I will call the police if you don't leave. Okay? Thank you. What is your name?
Martha.
Show me your license. Do you live here?
Show me your license.
Show me yours.
Show me yours and I'll show you mine.
Wow. This is Florida, folks. Yeah. Here we go.
People to come clean out.
And we pay extra too. All right. Why do you don't think I live here? Because of the way I look?
Because
why?
Until 2 weeks ago, I was president of the Homeowners Association. And to my knowledge, I know everybody who lives here.
Okay.
That's the only thing.
So why did you assume that I don't live here because you don't know me?
Because there's only 42 buildings.
Only 42 buildings. You knew every single person in 42 buildings?
Where do you live?
Huh? Do you know every single person in 42 buildings, ma'am? Thank you very much. I rest my case. Do me a favor. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stop with the fake laugh and just go. All right?
It's not a fake laugh. I think it's
enjoy your day.
Funny. I mean, we have this happen all the time.
All right.
You're not alone.
I feel sorry for you.
You're wrong.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, you got a dash.
Have a good day. Racist people at the best. Here in Florida. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look, she's chasing me. Look at her. She's trying to get in the way. She won't even let me go. My gosh. She's taking pictures. There's no tag on the front. Please. Out the way. I will. Come on. Can you please get out the way? Please get out the way, ma'am. Please get out the way. For what? Excuse me. Out the way. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Are you serious? Wow. This is what I have to deal with? Are you serious? Ma'am, could you please get out the way? This is 2019 for crying out loud, and I can't even throw away my trash without getting harassed by you? Seriously? I have to go. Ma'am, please get out the way. This is ridiculous. I can't even believe this. Oh my gosh. Man, doing? I'm not leaving till I what? Fess up. About what? Throwing away the trash? Oh my gosh. I can't even believe this. See, this is what people don't understand. That we have to go through this stuff every day in life and have people blocking me. I'm throwing away the trash in the morning. I'm being blocked. Is there another way out of here? I can't believe this. I really can't believe this. I cannot believe this. I was throwing away my trash. I said good morning. She stared at me, turned around, and started interrogating me. Oh my gosh. Here she is calling the police. All right, ma'am. That's enough. Ma'am, can you call the police for me, please? I can't stand this. Can you call the police for me, please? Are you another one? Yes, I do. Don't worry about it. I don't need to prove to you guys that I live here.
Actually,
Please.
you do.
No, you don't. I'm serious. This is
Actually.
ridiculous. Call the police, ma'am. Yes, because this is ridiculous. I'm throwing away my trash and you guys, she's blocking me. I do.
Where do you
I don't
live?
need to prove to you where I live. Where do
Yes,
you
you do.
live? This is ridiculous. That's what, please ask her, ma'am. Why does she not think I live here? You guys are ganging up on me because I'm dark-skinned in the neighborhood and you don't know who I am. Thank you so much, ma'am. This is ridiculous. This is 2019. You think I'm right.
Recognize the car and I know the car.
Just because she doesn't recognize me doesn't mean that I don't belong here, ma'am. This is ridiculous. Thank you.
I gotta say, if that's your only reason for you didn't recognize him, that's not a good reason.
Thank you.
People come in here all the time.
She's obstructing the highway.
I know, I saw. Okay.
Thank you. Can you please tell your friend to get out of the way, ma'am? Because I really have to go.
I think you're wrong.
I beg you, Judge.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
I just like to see where he lives because he
both-
doesn't live here.
We're both on the board.
I understand.
Okay, so that's why she called me. And,
Oh, good.
We can talk about this at a board meeting, but
Yeah.
right now I think you're wrong.
Correct. We will come to a board meeting. You know what, ma'am?
Oh, that'd be great.
And guess what? Guess what? And now, here's the thing. I appreciate you, ma'am, coming outside talking about that because just because she doesn't know me doesn't mean she gets obstructed. She's not the police, okay? This is her last opportunity, or else I will forego my day and press charges on you. This is not funny. I'm not playing around.
I'm not laughing.
I am because he.
I will spend $20,000 to make sure that justice will come to you just because of this.
Okay, you know what?
And I'm giving you 10 seconds to make your decision, or I'm going to call the police and I'm going to go full thing. So I ask you, please,
Bring him right now.
I'm asking you to listen to your friend because she's making the right decision, ma'am. I don't want any problems. I was throwing away my trash and I'm going on about my day. She turned around. I have it all on video. She turned around and said, "Where do you live?" and blocked me until I wanted to produce ID. This is America. I don't need to prove that I live here to you. Who are you? Who are you?
Okay, let's get this
Thank you. What is your name, ma'am?
Marianne Ronan Lambert.
Thank you, Miss Marianne. Thank you, Miss Marianne.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Jake.
Jake?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Mr. Jake.
Thank you so much.
Jake is the first name or last name?
Please,
Is Jake
don't come near me.
Hey, let's just go. Let's just go before we.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Marianne. I'll be more than happy to come back. We'll come back and talk to you later and things like that, but I really seriously need to go. Okay, thank you. Can you please ensure that your friend is not obstructing the highway so I can be on my way?
Other people are coming up. Martha, if you want to park, we can.
Yeah, please talk to her. This is ridiculous. My gosh.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say respect to each and everyone. Now, I just showed you a video that is out on social media where, due to some of the things that had happened in the video, some persons on social media considered it to be racism. Alright? Now, this video shows of a person being told by a female that they cannot dump garbage at a place where, based on my understanding, would seems to be a place where people from within the neighborhood would put their garbage. Alright? A lot of time ago on social media, and I saw videos where racism had been mentioned in the video. You know what I mean, viewers and subscribers? And it makes me hope and pray to live to see the day where there is no form of racism anywhere in the world with anybody, not anyone at all. You know, like racism would be just totally gone and everybody just living as one, you know? I really and truly hope and pray to see the day when the word itself, which is racism, doesn't even exist. You see me? I can understand if someone say a stranger in their neighborhood and they are concerned about it. You know what I mean? Yeah. But I do not think that someone that is not a police officer should be doing a job of a police officer. You know what I mean? I do not think that someone should stand in front of a vehicle trying to block someone from leaving because they are trying to see if they can keep that person there until the police arrive to arrest them or question them or whatsoever. I do not think that it is safe to do something like that because I may never know that the person can be dangerous. I don't think anyone should try and do something like that. Now, that is my point of view in the viewers and subscribers. You see me? I may be wrong and I may be right, and you can tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, but that is just my point of view or my opinion towards a situation where someone is standing in front of a vehicle trying to prevent that person from leaving because, you know, they want the police officer to, or the police to arrive to capture them or talk to them or whatsoever. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media and claims of racism has been made. You know what I mean? And I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Now, what the lady have done in this video, is it racism or not? Alright? Tell me what you think about something like this that I just showed you in the video. Alright, viewers and subscribers. I don't know me Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.